Pat with Right Channel Radios. This is the Ford F-150 hood mount for 2015 and newer aluminum body Ford F-150s. This mount's been highly requested. How it installs is you actually take this end and you remove the rear hood hinge bolt on the driver's side, install, and then this kind of fits right in. You reinstall that bolt, the mount will extend up and out. Causes the mount to just sit near the windshield on the driver's side, and you have to use a ring style coax with this mount because you don't have enough space for a standard PL259 coax cable. To route the cable, you just route it down close to the mount, kind of around the natural groove in the fender, and then actually through the driver's side door for an easy installation. We recommend pairing this mount with a 4-foot Firestik antenna or something similar to that. Also, this mount is available with just the antenna stud, and you can get a fire ring cable separate, or you can get the mount in a package that includes the Procomm ring style coax cable that also has an FME connector in on the end, which makes routing very simple, and you just thread on the PL259 connection. Again, this is a Ford F-150 hood mount for 2015 and newer aluminum body Ford F-150 trucks.